Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is 2025 TB elimination target. First, let us see why is it in the news. According to the recently released WHO Global Tuberculosis Report 2024 and the India TB Report 2024, India will fail to eliminate TB by 2025. Also, India will not be able to meet the End TB Strategy 2025 milestones for TB incidence and the total number of TB deaths. Let's talk about TB elimination target. India has set an ambitious target to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025, 5 years ahead of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals deadline of 2030. This initiative is part of the National TB Elimination Program, which aims to reduce TB incidence and mortality significantly. SDG aims for a 90% reduction in TB deaths and 80% reduction in TB incidence compared to 2015 levels. As per WHO's post-2015 End TB strategy, compared with 2015, countries are required to meet the 2025 milestones of reducing TB deaths by 75% and reducing TB incidence rate by 50%. Let's now discuss India's progress in TB elimination. As per the WHO Global TB Report 2024, the TB incidence rate in India had reduced by 18% between 2015 and 2023, while the reduction in the total number of TB deaths between 2015 and 2023 was only 24%. Since the End TB Strategy 2025 milestone requires 75% reduction in the total number of TB deaths and 50% reduction in TB incidence, India has to reduce the TB death rate from 28 per 1 lakh in 2015 to 7 per 1 lakh by 2025. The TB incidence rate from 237 per 1 lakh in 2015 to 118.5 per 1 lakh by 2025. Not only will India fail to eliminate TB by 2025, it will not even be able to meet even the End TB Strategy 2025 milestones for TB incidence and the total number of TB deaths. Let's know about government strategies. First, Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Launched to accelerate efforts towards TB elimination, this initiative focuses on enhancing community involvement and providing additional support for patients. Second, Nikshay Mitra Initiative. This program encourages community members and organizations to adopt TB patients and provide them with nutritional and vocational support during treatment. Third, enhanced diagnostic tools. The government is working on improving diagnostic capabilities by transitioning from older microscopy techniques to more advanced methods like fluorescence microscopy. Fourth, funding and support. The Global Fund for AIDS, TB and Malaria has pledged significant financial support, while domestic funding mechanisms encourage corporate social responsibility contributions towards TB initiatives. Now here's the conclusion. India's ambition to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025 demonstrates a strong public health commitment, but achieving this goal requires addressing key challenges in healthcare infrastructure, treatment adherence, and monitoring systems. Now it's a time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Global TB Report 2024. 1. It is recently released by World Bank. 2. As per the report, the TB incidence rate in India had reduced by 18% between 2015 and 2023. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.